In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add free shipping on your Shopify store. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this, and we'll just jump into it right away. So you want to sign into your Shopify store and click on settings in the bottom left corner. Once you do that, you should be able to find shipping and delivery right there. If you're not able to find it, you can always use the search bar if you want to, but I'm going to click right here. Alright, so this is the shipping part of your store. So right there you'll find shipping and you'll find manage the rates. So you want to click on that, and this is where you can change all of this. Now if you want to charge different rates for only certain products, create a new profile in shipping settings. So if you want to do that, you want to make sure to create a new profile in here. I'm not going to do that, so let's just say I want to do this for the entire store. I then scroll down, and then on here I can actually set up the shipping rates. For example, if I wanted to do free shipping in the Netherlands, I can then first of all click right there and then click on delete, then click on add rate, and then just use the €0 shipping, just like that. We'll just go with standard, click on done, and there you go. So in the Netherlands I now have free shipping, and you can do the exact same thing for all of these different regions. For example, in Europe, free shipping, and then the rest of the world as well, add rate, free, and then standard, click on done, and there you go. So you can see that right now every single time on price it says free, which means that you now have free shipping on your store. So if this video helps you out, leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.